Guys, today I'm teaching you how to send money using the Sendwave app in 2025. Fast, secure, and super simple. Open your Sendwave app and make sure you're signed in. If you haven't verified your account yet, tap Profile, then Verify Identity. Upload your ID and wait for approval. Next, on the home screen, select the country you want to send money to. Enter the recipient's name, phone number, and the amount you want to send. Choose your payment method, usually your debit card or link account. Double check the details, then tap send. You'll get a confirmation message once your transfer is complete. And that's how you send money in Sendwave in 2025. Quick, verified, and reliable every time.